Hello, I am Purvi Maru and I am welcoming you all to my channel Food Health and Acupressure. Today we will be talking about acupressure points for swelling. What is swelling? When excess of fluids are trapped in body tissues, it causes swelling. This swelling can occur on face, legs, necks, hands or any other place. Now let us know about causes for swelling. Swelling may be caused because of imbalance of minerals in the body. Excess of salt in body can also cause swelling. Some ladies may have this problem of swelling during their menstrual cycle. Pregnant ladies are more likely to have swelling. Or when we stand or sit in one position for longer hours, that can also cause swelling. So what you can do is, you can just take a break, you can go somewhere, or if you are sitting, so you can change your position, or else just go for a small walk or something that will help you. So now let us know about acupressure points. Before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please do subscribe and do share this video with others so that they can also get this informative video. And if you want to join our WhatsApp group, then do click on the link in the description box. And over here, this is my Instagram page. You can also go and follow this page. On this page, I post many acupressure related posts. So do check it out. So our acupressure point is on the back side of our hand on the middle finger. You can see this first joint of the middle finger. Just below that joint, exactly in the center, is our point. Okay, let us know it again. You can see this is the first joint of the middle finger. Just below that, exactly in the center, is this point. You can see it just below that. Okay, so this point is called as GB40, gallbladder meridian's 40th point. So what we'll do over here, with the back side of a jimmy, we'll press this point for 1 to 2 minutes properly. Okay, you need to press it properly for 1 to 2 minutes, and after that we'll apply a tonification sedation magnet or Buell magnet on this point. So if you are not having this magnets and if you want to buy them, then I have made a basic acupressure kit in which all these magnets, jimmies and all these things which we use in acupressure are included in that kit. I have also made a video on that. You can check it out, and if you want to buy it, you can definitely buy it from us. We'll apply this magnet in such a way that the white side of the magnet will touch the skin, and from the outside you can see the yellow side of the magnet. Okay, so we'll sedate this point. We'll lower the energy of this point. Okay, this point is bilateral. That means you can do it on both the hands. You need to apply this magnet for 8 to 10 hours, and whenever you will remove it, you need to throw the tape away and bring both the magnets together so that they can energize themselves and you can use it again. Magnets do not expire, you can use it for lifetime. So do this treatment daily, you will definitely feel the results. So that's all for today. If you found my video good, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.